Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you prefer Outlook's familiar layout, but want to keep using Gmail, the good news is that Gmail includes several built-in options that can make the interface feel much closer to what you may already be used to. We'll walk through the key settings that help create that more structured, desktop-style email experience. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where you'll find the appearance and layout controls that make the biggest difference. When the Quick Settings panel appears, choose See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you'll have access to more detailed customization options. Next, locate the Inbox tab and look for the option to enable the reading pane. Turning on the reading pane is one of the most important changes if you want Gmail to resemble Outlook, because it allows you to preview and read messages alongside your inbox instead of opening each email in a separate full view. While you're adjusting the look and feel, also locate themes and choose one that gives Gmail a cleaner, more professional appearance, similar to Outlook. A simple, understated theme usually works best for that classic email client style. After that, return to Gmail and click the Settings icon again. This time, use the Quick Settings panel to adjust the inbox density and layout. Choose the option that most closely resembles Outlook's email list view. In general, a more compact or default density can help create a tighter, more organized message list, which often feels more like Outlook than Gmail's more open layout. You can try a couple of views here to see which one feels most natural. Finally, organize your emails with labels and categories. This helps recreate the folder-based structure many people associate with Outlook. Labels can be used to sort messages by project, priority, or topic, while categories help separate different types of incoming mail. Even though Gmail and Outlook organize mail differently behind the scenes, setting up labels thoughtfully can make your inbox feel much more familiar and easier to manage. Once these changes are in place, Gmail should feel more streamlined and bite-sized and Outlook-like, while still keeping all the advantages of Gmail's web experience. Take a moment to test the layout by clicking through your inbox and opening a few messages so you can fine-tune anything that still feels off. With just a few adjustments, you can make Gmail much more comfortable to use.